Hello my friends, today we learn new things about the differentiation. First of all, we learn y is equal to x to the power n, how to derivate it and how to use the derivation in this, and we do in previous videos product rule and quotient rule. Quotient rule and sum rule. Also we learn sum rule. But now if they come together then how we solve this queries? Just like if in the examination function is given that y is equal to x square plus 4x times to the power 4, then how we solve it is so you see that in this equation y is equal to x to the power n, and it's a sum of sum rule. You see, in the outer, if we take x square plus 4x, let we let we assume it x, then it makes the formula is x to the power 4, and how we solve it? 4x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4x to the power 3. That's like we solve this equation dy by dx. We solve this equation like this. We assume this like a x, and we derivate it x square plus 4x 4 and 10 to the power 4 minus 1, and solve this. After it, now it's a work of sum rule. You see in the bracket that is a sum rule x square plus 4x. Now we derivate it in a second part in a multiplication. We continue it after just we saw multiplication. How solve it? Like a sum rule, 2x 2 minus 1 plus 4x, x equal to 1. In the derivation x is equal to 1, that is a derivation, and we write it now. We write it in a sequence. Now we write it in a sequence dy by dx is equal to 4x as it is x square plus 4x times to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 dot. Now we solve this. 2x 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We don't need to write here plus 4. That is a complete derivation. Just like that, in the second equation, if you face the problem of quotient rule in this situation, like x plus 4 by x 10 to the power 2. Then how we solve it? Then it is just like that. As now again we assume x plus 4 by x is x, and we derivate it x 10 to the power 2 equal to x 2x 2 minus 1. It is a derivation. We use this in this equation. Now dy by dx dy by dx is equal to x plus 4 by x, it is as it is, and 2 minus 1. Now again we use quotient rule in this equation, but it is in the multiplication. It comes in the multiplication, and we derivate it x square. Now x is as it is, x plus 4, derivation of x plus 4 is equal to 1, is equal to 1 always, and 4, this is a constant, is equal to 0, minus x plus 4, it is as it is, and x derivation of x is equal to 1. We solve this in a sequence. Derivation is complete at here, but we write it in order to x plus 4 by x 10 to the power 1. We don't need to write here, and we solve this equation. X multiplication of x and 1 is equal to x minus, then we open the bracket because minus is there, then all the signs are changed, sign, then x in negative, and that is negative also, and here x here, you see x minus plus positive x, and that is minus x, and we again solve. Two x plus 4 by x is equal to minus 4 by x square. That is a complete derivation. That is your answer. And just like that we solve the product rule in that is a process. Thank you, my friends.